Why post-workout nutrition matters.
Proper nutrition after exercise is crucial for recovery. The right foods help repair muscles, restore energy levels, and reduce the risk of injury. After a tough workout, your body needs key nutrients to rebuild tissues, replace lost fluids, and support your immune system. Optimizing what you eat post-exercise can make a significant difference in your progress and overall well-being.
Essential nutrients for muscle repair.
Protein is the foundation of muscle repair. After working out, your muscles develop tiny tears. High-quality sources like lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, and soy provide the amino acids needed for rebuilding. Aim for 15 to 25 grams of protein within an hour after exercise to maximize recovery and promote muscle growth.
Carbohydrates, refueling your energy.
That said, carbohydrates are vital for replenishing lost energy, which are the main source of fuel for your muscles. Foods like whole grains, fruits, potatoes, and rice help restore these reserves, ensuring you're ready for your next workout and reducing fatigue.
The role of healthy fats in hydration.
Don't overlook healthy fats and proper hydration. Healthy fats from nuts, seeds, avocados, and olive oil support cell repair and reduce inflammation. Hydrating with water or electrolyte-rich drinks also speeds up recovery and prevents muscle cramps. Together, they help your body bounce back faster after intense exercise.
Top foods for fast recovery.
Choose nutrient-dense foods for a complete recovery. Examples include a grilled chicken and quinoa bowl, Greek yogurt with berries, a smoothie with banana and protein powder, or salmon with sweet potatoes. These combinations deliver the right balance of protein, carbs, and healthy fats, giving your body everything it needs to repair and grow stronger.